Portugal, though, quickly before we switch gears to the Uruguay-Saudi Arabia match. They just don't strike me, as I watched the game earlier, as a complete package. Maybe, you know, Ronaldo can carry them, but when they come up against teams, example Spain, that will create problems for them, if Ronaldo is not on, you get the impression that they are in trouble.
That's a problem. You know, when you look at Portugal, unlike the other top teams where you have a Messi at Argentina, and Neymar with Brazil, where they have a support cast that can get going if they don't shine on a particular day. If Portugal, Ronaldo is shut down, there is nobody who comes to the fore who can take the
Which we saw yesterday
by the scuff of the neck.
with Poland and Senegal.
Yes.
Sani shut down Lewandowski.
Lewandowski, and there was
Poland,
nothing coming from the Polish
absolutely.
team. So I believe that they are limited, and when you look at them today, it shows that there is some limitation to how far they will progress, because they're just completely...
Don't shatter me, because I have them to get to the last four.
You're
a very funny Huckleberry. Do you seeing what we're seeing differently in terms of Portugal?
I think the Portuguese play the Spanish team, which is one of the strongest teams in the competition, and they match them well. It's real. They know against a Moroccan team. I don't think maybe I'm looking at the game again. The Moroccan team got their fair share of opportunities, didn't finish, but the Portuguese were professional in there. I think when you look at the overall team, of course, it's going to take the talents of Cristiano Ronaldo to take them to the promised land. But overall, I don't see it in a way that I see players in this team that can step up when they need to step up. They did it against a good Spanish team, and I'm anticipating that they will, if the time should come again, they will step their game up.
Was it really there, or was it Cristiano Ronaldo?
But I think there was 11 players on the park.
I agree, there was 11.
They had to defend.
Cristiano
Ronaldo didn't.
Answer the question.
Yes, I think the team did well overall.
That's not the question.
What was the question?
We know there are 11 players on each team, but he's asking, let me be very specific.
Yes.
You're a funny fellow. Did Ronaldo get the support? Was it a total team effort?
Yes, it was.